If you're a travel enthusiast, then you need to add New Zealand's Glowworm Caves to your bucket list. Get ready to be amazed by nature's own light show. Deep beneath New Zealand's North Island lies the enchanting Waitomo Caves, home to the mesmerizing glowworm. But guess what? Glowworms aren't actually worms. They're the larvae of Arachnocampa luminosa, a special kind of fly that glows through bioluminescence. Imagine floating silently on an underground river surrounded by limestone formations over 30 million years old. Above you, thousands of tiny blue-green lights flicker like stars. This is the Glowworm Grotto, nature's grand cathedral. Here's a cool fact. Glowworms use their light to attract prey. They hang sticky silk threads from the cave ceiling, turning their glow into a dinner lure. Waitomo isn't the only spot. Head to Te Anau, Kawiti or Waipu Caves for more glowworm magic. And don't miss the chance to join a Maori-guided tour where you'll learn about the cultural significance of these caves. So grab your explorer's hat and experience the wonder of New Zealand's glowworm caves. An unforgettable adventure awaits.